I love Ethereum, I love Cardano, I love Polkadot, I love Solana, I love so many altcoins. But if you want to make money in this crypto market, you need to pay attention to the Bitcoin because it drives the market, at least as of now. And so that's why I make this content called Crypto Weekly, where I provide you with some news around the cryptocurrency space, and I also provide you with some technical analysis around the Bitcoin. Because once you know what the Bitcoin is going to do, then you have an idea of what your altcoins are going to do. So if you think that's interesting, there are 3 things you're going to do for me. Subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and then let's dive in. Hello guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Poll, July 23, 2021, and today is filled with so many amazing news. So many, and especially amazing adoption news for the blockchain. We can see big tech firms like Amazon talking about the blockchain and what they want to do with it, and we can see countries like Nigeria, my own Nigeria, talking about the blockchain project they're about to launch October 1st this year. So it's super amazing. Let's dive into the news. Let's dive into the chat. Thank you and welcome. Alright guys, so as always we start with CoinDesk. Okay, the first thing we have seen on CoinDesk is that BlockFi is pursuing plans to go public. Of course, BlockFi is like a crypto lending firm and they are going public, meaning they will start selling shares. And the beautiful thing is crypto companies are raising funds like mad these days. Like crypto firms are raising funds like mad because that's the future. So this is super nice. I don't want to waste much time on that. Then Goldman Sachs is providing more settling crypto ETPs in Europe. Very good news for massive cryptocurrency adoption in Europe. Then Bitcoin momentum improves, faces resistance at 34k, and then the Bitcoin XD SV Ford. Most of the people we know Bitcoin SV. For some of you, okay, Bitcoin SV is the Satoshi version of Bitcoin, and it's one of those crazy coins that was doing well at some point, a lot of challenges. And so, if you're an investor in Bitcoin SV, you might really want to see this news. I don't want to go deep into it because it's not, for me, it's not really a major news. Bitcoin SV has been down for a while now. Then UK starts consultation on applying travel rules to cryptocurrency. Okay, so basic things, trying to brainstorm on how can cryptocurrencies cross different borders. So, but again, for me, I'm not really keen in on that. So, but those are the major news from CoinDesk today. But the biggest one is the BlockFi. Going public, because that will bring about massive adoption for cryptocurrencies. Because for a company to go public, it means some big shot guys are ready to put money in to back that company up. Then very interesting ones from Cointelegraph. Very interesting ones. The first thing is Bitcoin is key to the future of Twitter. Jack Dorsey says. Jack Dorsey is saying Bitcoin is key to the future of Twitter. Because Twitter has a lot of updates coming on recently and trying to go into e-commerce and the rest, and Bitcoin is what they are planning to use. And that is why Jack Dorsey has been working on adding DeFi on Bitcoin, which would be super mad. Okay. Then Coinbase and top execs face security class action over Nasdaq listing. Okay, Nasdaq, of course, Nasdaq is that big exchange listing firm, and Coinbase is looking at being listed on Nasdaq and the rest. So then another very crazy one for those of us that like to invest is the Axie. Axie is mad. Axie has gone up like crazy. I think Axie is almost $30 now. Even it has fallen a little to almost $30. Axie was about $2 after the crash. So this is crazy, almost 15x. This is crazy and this is mad. So that's just that record. Then very beautiful one for those of us in Nigeria. It says Nigeria to pilot central bank digital cryptocurrency in October. Sorry about the call. Okay, Nigeria to pilot central bank digital cryptocurrency in October. So Nigeria that actually was talking about the whole blockchain thing and how they are not in support. They're actually launching their own blockchain project in October. It's very super amazing. Then let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see how it's gonna go. But just super amazing for those of us in Nigeria. And so if you are still out there, you are eating the blockchain, man, it's not a wise thing to do. Okay, do your research and really see that this is technology. Because technology doesn't really respect profession or respect things. Once it comes, really observe if this thing is really worthwhile. Don't be too proud. Go into it and see what's happening. So that's that, and that's why we are here. So if you are busy, you don't have time to go into all this thing, that's what I'm doing for you. Okay, thank you very much for listening to me. Then we have that Binance US is looking at launching an IPO, launching at IPO route. CZ says, of course, Binance is having a lot of things with in the US, and CZ is now saying they want to do IPO.
Well, this is going crazy, but a lot of Binance US, if Binance US has been on an exchange, the shares would have crashed like mad because of the whole US fraud with Binance. But CZ, I mean the CEO of Binance, is saying they want to go to IPO. That means they want to go public also. That would be super mad. But I really believe Binance because they are doing a lot of amazing things. Okay. So let's just keep watching. So these are the major news from Cointelegraph. I don't want to waste much time. Very amazing news. Then it says that Bitcoin.com, it says Bank of Russia advises stock exchange to avoid trading cryptocurrency instruments. Okay, just avoiding stock exchanges because the crazy thing about stock exchanges is most of the stock exchanges when they try to do this, they don't do it in there. They just do it as they've been doing their normal stocks. Because the currency trading is on a different ball game. So if the stock exchanges are to attend to this, they're supposed to attack it the way crypto exchanges will attack the problem because there are a lot of challenges there, there are a lot of disclaimers you need to put out there, there are a lot of many things you need to put out there. Okay, because for now there's a lot of risk in it, so they're just advising them don't do this because perhaps you might not be able to handle it properly. Then again, this guy is talking about Axie, Ethereum gaming token that has gone up like mad. Axie is crazy today. Axie is the beast of today. That shot up like crazy from $2 to about 30 something dollar. Mad gains on Axie. I bought Axie long ago, but I had sold long ago also before the crash. So I'm not seeing any gain on Axie, and I'm not really looking at some of these coins because they can go up heavily and see come down heavily. Then another big news that Indian central bank unveils its plan to also launch its own digital currency in face. China has already done its own. India is talking. Europe is talking. I mean Tanzania, everybody's even Nigeria is talking. So the blockchain is crazy. Okay, massive adoption of the blockchain. Massive adoption. Then okay, we looked at that Viking news yesterday, and then let's go sharply over to crypto news. Okay, and let's see what cryptocurrency news has for us. So good. Cryptocurrency is talking about Amazon. Amazon is set to hire a digital currency lead as they are inspired by crypto. Twitter is already talking about cryptocurrency. Of course, Facebook has been working on their own cryptocurrency long ago. I mean, Tesla is already into cryptocurrency. Elon Musk confirmed yesterday that SpaceX is into cryptocurrency. So what are we saying? Big tech giants are rushing in like fire. Amazon is coming out openly now to declare it, and of course, most of a good amount of Ethereum nodes run on Amazon's cloud already. So don't be left out. So this is for the news. I don't want to waste too much time. Let's dive into the charts and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Because once you know what Bitcoin is doing, then you have an idea of what some of your altcoins will most likely be doing. Although some will still rebel at some point, like Axie has been rebelling. Alright guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go to the charts. Alright guys, so welcome to the Bitcoin chart, and basically like we've always been saying, still nothing much, still nothing surprising is happening. There's no clear sign that we are going up yet, and there's no clear sign that we are going down, but the bias is still more to the downside. Like I've been telling us for the past few days, the bias is still more to the downside. The strategy has not changed. Okay, as it goes down, you just keep buying. Not buying now is not so wise because it might really go down. Okay, the chance that it goes down is still very high. Out of 100%, there's over 80% chance that it goes down, but there is this 20% chance that it's not going to go down. So there's no confirmation as to the direction yet. So the strategy will not be to just rush in and start buying with your money now. It's just to wait and really watch. When there's a clear sign that will go up, at least I will tell you on the channel, and I might be wrong. I might be very wrong. Okay, so the idea of this whole thing is not to be right all the time, but it's to make sure that you are right more than you are wrong. At least if you are right a number of many times more than you are wrong. So this guy can just go down, wipe down, and just continue downward for a while before the whole going up, and the bias is still more to the downside. So you want to wait for those time when it goes down and buy in beat as it goes. There's no particular point where you say let me buy at this one. Just buy in beat as it goes down. Okay, and the same way as it's going down, when it starts going up back, I'll be telling us then to also take profit in bits. So this is the best way to really invest in this market. So for now, there's no clear sign as to what is happening. So but before I leave, let me just quickly show you Axie, and let me show you what Axie has done. I mean Axie coin. Let's go to Axie and see what Axie has. Alright guys, so this is the chart for Axie coin, and we can see, I mean during that first crash, I think Axie got maximum to $11. Then it got whooped down heavily from $11 to about $2, somewhere here. So about $2. Let me try to zoom in. You can see at some point we have 2.7383. Then just this past few weeks, I mean, Axie has been on the run. This last week here, as it went as high as 30 something dollar. Then again, to show you how volatile this coin is, from 30 something dollar got whooped down to about 10, 11, $12, somewhere here. and now again it's back to over $30. So Axie has really done well. It's a gaming coin built on Ethereum, and they have a lot of reasons why they are shooting up. But again, investing in some of these things, you need to be very, very careful because you can lose your money really hard. Okay, this guy can just go up and then get wiped down like as fast as possible. So one just needs to be very, very careful. Okay. So I bought Axie when we were in the real bull run, and I think I made some very tiny gain on Axie, and I left Axie. I've traded Axie in between the lines. Okay, bought sell, bought sell. But since this big crash, I had sold out of Axie long ago, and I wasn't holding Axie. But watching it do this is super amazing. But again, like I always say, I'm not really moved by all of this. I've seen things like this. I mean, there's a coin today that has gained over 1,000% gain. This coin is on fire. You can see the percentage gains now here, 1,070% gain. So we see a lot of all these things happening. It's not for you to be moved by all of this. It's for you to have a definite pattern and know how you're going to profit in this market. Otherwise, you're going to lose in trying to catch all of this. Okay, so basically, guys, that's it for today. Don't let me bore you with more things. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so that's it on Daily Crypto Power for today, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, and please, if you like my content, do it to share with your friends. Also, share with other people. I mean, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye. And remember, don't get wrecked. Because if you get wrecked, I'll be the first to sing "Dorime" for you. Thank you so much. Bye.